Need a mask but don't have a sewing machine? No problem. Today I have a guest speaker with us, our very own youngest of four, Cortland, and she's going to teach us how to make an easy mask without a sewing machine. Take it away, Cortland.
Hey, if you're ever going out to get essential items, then here is a at-home mask life hack. And you'll need these materials. You could use a scarf. You could use an old pair of, I would prefer soft pants, but it doesn't matter. Maybe some PJ pants, they're more stretchy. A shirt, or a pillowcase. Okay, so this is the easiest one. So you can basically get two masks out of this, and you just fold it in half, or you fold it twice, or maybe even 3 times, because this fabric is too thin to where the virus can get through. So all you basically have to do is wrap it around your face and tie it. This is the second easiest because you can get many scarves out of this. So you cut the pant leg, and then like the scarf, you could tie it around your head. And then, so you get 2 there, and then you'll use the top part of it you can make more masks out of that. Easy to go. Bonus one, you can also use the scarf for this. You could tie it around your head and be a style headband. This is just a really old pillowcase that we had in our Goodwill box for a long time, and we decided to make it into a mask. But for adults, you would probably have to cut it diagonally for it to completely wrap around the head. But for like younger kids with like smaller heads, you could probably cut it like this. Also, this might take a while to cut, so we're just gonna show you the finishing project. This mask is probably my favorite because while wearing it, you can also look really fashionable. And also, it took like about 5 minutes cutting, but it was totally worth it because I got to listen to music and have fun while cutting it. And this is how you put it on. It rolled up on me. I'm putting it above my ponytail so it holds better. This shirt was also in the Goodwill pile. I obviously don't know why it was in there. But we're going to turn this into many masks, and stay tuned to find out how we did that. So for this mask, I used sleeves. But this shirt had pretty short sleeves, so I used both of the sleeves. So on a regular shirt, you could probably just use one and just slide it over your head. So on this one, I just cut off the bottom of it. So if you have a kind of small head, you could just wrap it around. But if your head is bigger, there's 2 options you could do. Or for a small head, you can cut the side and tie it around, or you can slide it around, twist it, and slide it around. And then you slide it all the way around. Then you open it up right here, and you cover it, and you'll think it's too loose, so you'll tighten it right here. So you have a stylish necklace and a mask.
If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more practical ways to stay healthy and happy, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video for another dose of healthy. You will see some videos on your screen. You can click one of those to view some of my other content.